These life advice gurus sharing their wisdom on personal growth and perspective on business are going insanely viral on Instagram. Therefore, in this video, I'll break down exactly how you can make similar AI gurus yourself. The first step is to head over to ChatGPT, look for a GPT model called Guru Shortmaker in the GPTs library, and start a chat. At the top of the chat, click on the option that says Create a Guru in order to start your conversation. By doing so, the GPT will ask you to fill in some key information like ethnicity, gender, age, and so on, so that it can proceed to create your guru from scratch. To showcase what you can create, let's go for a Middle Eastern male sheikh, aged around 60 to 75, speaks about wealth and life advice. He wears traditional cultural clothing, such as a thobe. His setting is inside a Rolls Royce, where he is seated, and he has a calm, wise, wealthy, and elite aura. Then proceed with sending your character idea, and in return, it will craft one main character image prompt, 5 additional image prompts, and 6 video prompts tailored to those image prompts. Now let's head over to OpenArt. Go to Create Image and select Nano Banana 2 as the model. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the first main prompt, and switch back to paste it in. Before generating, make sure to choose a 9:16 aspect ratio and set the quality to 2K. Once those settings are correct, click Generate and you'll get images like this. Now let's do the other prompts. For this, select your favorite image as a reference. Go back to ChatGPT to copy the B-roll prompts, then jump back to OpenArt, paste them in, and click Generate. Now repeat the same process, and once everything is done, you'll see that Nano Banana created these amazing results. Each one is set in a different environment, such as sitting in a private jet, in a villa, inside a library, and more. Now gather your favorite images, and to animate them, let's move into Kling 3. Here, upload your image as the start frame. Go back to ChatGPT to copy the video prompts, then return to OpenArt and paste them into Kling. Set the duration to around 10 seconds and then click Generate. Finally, here are the videos I was able to create.
To become easier, become stronger, quieter, and more disciplined. The world respects the man who can stay calm when everyone else is losing control. Money is not what makes a man powerful. Control is. The man who can master his desires will always be richer than the man who only chases more. Build discipline first, and wealth will follow you. The poor man spends to feel important. The wise man builds until he no longer needs to impress anyone. Real wealth is when your peace is more expensive than your possessions. A man who reads only to know more will stay average. But a man who reads to understand himself becomes dangerous. Wealth begins the day your mind becomes more valuable than your image.
Thanks for watching. You'll find all the links and tools I used in this video in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.